And follow me is a ZOPO Speed 7, and today I will show you how to remove the battery from this device. So we should start off by probably turning on the device, so hold power key and choose power off and confirm it. Now once the device is turning off, you can actually take the device, and I believe that at the bottom left corner you will have a place where you can kind of squeeze your fingernail in there and pull up the cover like so. Just go around and take it off. And now on the bottom as well of the battery you will see this little kind of like a cutout in a way. Again, fingernail, push the battery up and out like so. And now the battery is out. And now you have access to both SIM trays, so you can take out or insert a SIM card if you need. And to put the battery, just you actually have a tiny little arrow right here, and on the other side you don't have it. So make sure you have this arrow visible, and you want to basically place it right here so it's facing up, and same logic, push the battery in and then or up and into the phone. And then you can close the device back up, snap it all around, make sure that it's flush all around, not sticking up somewhere. And you can now turn the device back on. And as you can see, now the device is fully back on. So that is basically how you remove and insert the battery to the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.